Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best New Year balloons is probably one of the most festive and eye-catching ways to ring in the new year, transforming any space into a celebratory wonderland with a stunning balloon garland that's sure to impress your guests and create unforgettable memories as you count down to midnight. Number 5. PartyWoo 100 PCS Black Balloons Arch Kit. Introducing our premium black balloon kit, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any event. This set includes a variety of sizes to create stunning balloon arches and garlands. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive centerpieces and ensuring your decorations last throughout the celebration. Fill them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or use helium for a floating effect. Their standard necks allow for quick and easy inflation, bringing joy to any party. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and anniversaries, these balloons are the ideal choice. Make your special moments even more memorable with these versatile decorations. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects to ensure longevity. Inflate to your desired size for the perfect party ambience. With 100 balloons in various sizes, you can easily craft breathtaking balloon arches and garlands. They are the perfect foundation for a memorable party atmosphere. What we like. This kit offers a great range of sizes for a dynamic look. If you're planning a party and want a classic black theme that's easy to work with, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for birthdays and baby showers where you need reliable decorations that hold up well. What people say. The balloons were a great size and the garland looked amazing. Easy to assemble and the colors were vibrant, really added to the New Year's Eve atmosphere. Number 4. Whaline Black and Gold Balloons Garland Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning black and gold balloon garland kit. It's the perfect, economical choice for any celebration, offering a sophisticated look without breaking the bank. This kit features a beautiful mix of white, gold, black, and metallic confetti balloons. These colors are ideal for graduations and creating memorable photo opportunities. With the included 16-foot balloon tape strip, you can easily craft various balloon arches and garlands. Design unique and beautiful graphic styles to elevate your event's decor. Everything you need is in this comprehensive kit: 120 latex balloons, a balloon tape strip, 100 balloon dots, and a balloon tying tool. It's designed for your convenience. Crafted from safe and high-quality latex, ribbons, and PP material, these balloons are perfect for any special occasion. Use them for graduations, weddings, birthdays, and more. Setting up your balloon decorations is a breeze. The included tool makes tying balloons quick and easy, and the balloon dots ensure they stay perfectly in place. What we like. This option comes with everything you need to create a stunning balloon arch, including the tape and tools. If you're looking for a glamorous touch with gold and confetti accents for a graduation or wedding, this kit simplifies the process and delivers a professional finish. What people say. The balloons were a good size and the garland looked full and festive. Easy to assemble and the colors were vibrant, really added to the New Year's Eve atmosphere. Number 3. PartyWoo Black Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your next celebration with this impressive black balloon arch kit. It includes a variety of sizes to create a dramatic and elegant display. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of events. Use them to add a touch of sophistication to birthdays, baby showers, graduations, and more. Filling them with air is a breeze, and they'll stay full for up to 72 hours. They are designed for quick inflation, making setup simple and fast. Please avoid overfilling and protect them from extreme heat or sharp objects. Note that the smaller balloons may not float when filled with helium. These balloons are the perfect choice for making any occasion unforgettable. Add a stylish touch to your party decorations and create lasting memories. What we like. With the largest quantity of balloons, this kit is ideal for creating truly impressive balloon installations. If you have a large venue or want to make a big statement for an anniversary or casino-themed party, this provides the most volume and impact for your decoration needs. What people say. The balloons were of good quality and held air well throughout the event. The garland was easy to assemble and looked very festive. The colors were vibrant and exactly as pictured, adding a great touch to the New Year's celebration. Number 2. 111 PCS Black Gold Silver Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Want to make your next celebration truly memorable? Allow us to introduce this stunning balloon garland arch kit, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. This set is ideal for a wide range of events, including birthdays, graduations, weddings, and baby showers. It's designed to add a touch of elegance to any party you envision. Crafted from safe, thick latex, these balloons are built to last. They are designed to stretch well when inflated and maintain their form for an extended period, ensuring your decorations stay vibrant. Assembly is a breeze, allowing you to enjoy the fun of DIY decoration. You can easily inflate them and hang them wherever you desire, from trees and walls to doorways and tables. This comprehensive package includes 111 balloons along with all the necessary accessories to create a beautiful garland. Everything you need for a stunning display is included. To ensure the best results, please avoid overfilling the balloons. Also, keep them away from direct sunlight, excessive heat, sharp objects, and rough friction. What we like? This set brings a sophisticated shine with its metallic black, gold, and silver balloons. If you're aiming for an elegant and modern look for a New Year's Eve party or a bachelorette event, these balloons offer a premium feel and are built to last. What people say? The balloons were a good size and the garland looked great. Easy to assemble and the colors were vibrant. The balloons held air well and lasted throughout the party. Number 1. PartyWoo Black Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our premium black balloon arch kit, perfect for any celebration. This set offers a variety of sizes to create a dramatic and elegant balloon display. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last throughout your event. Easily inflate these balloons with air for a long-lasting display of up to 72 hours. They are designed for quick inflation, making setup a breeze for any occasion. Please avoid overfilling or exposing them to extreme conditions for optimal results. These balloons are designed for safe and easy use, adding joy to your decorations. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and anniversaries, these versatile balloons are ideal. Make your special event unforgettable with these elegant black decorations. This kit includes balloons in various sizes, from 36 inches down to 5 inches. Please note that the smaller 5-inch balloons may not float when filled with helium. What we like? The standout feature here is the inclusion of a giant 36-inch balloon, perfect for creating a dramatic focal point. If you want to add an extra wow factor to your party decorations, especially for events like race car parties or significant birthdays, this kit offers a unique element. What people say? The balloons were very easy to inflate and assemble, creating a beautiful garland. The colors were vibrant and exactly as pictured, adding a festive touch to the New Year's Eve party. The garland held up well throughout the night, with no balloons deflating prematurely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.